dito sa Korea. We have 4 eggs. Yan po ang ating 4 na itlog. And then 1/2 water with matching chicken stock. Okay, that's it. Pour into the eggs. And then let's beat the eggs while boiling the vegetables. We need tuna. Fry the eggs. Pour keranchim. Okay, we need to cook now. Cover it. Yan, cover po natin yan sa maliit na apoy. Kailangan lang. Habang niluluto natin ang ating keranchim, dito naman maglalagay tayo ng sesame oil. Dahil gutom si bossing, kailangan dagdagan natin ang ating kanin. Diba? Next yung ating kimchi. So, napakasimple lang ng breakfast ni bossing today. Ito po yung ating pinakulong vegetables. Pong namul. O, diba? Halo lang natin yan. Next yung ating tuna. Ilalagay natin lahat yan. Tuna. And then 2 eggs. Dahil malakas kumain si bossing, 2 eggs ang ilalagay natin. Another sesame oil. Ayan, maglalagay tayo ng gochujang. Kunti lang. Bawal lang maalat. Simply bibimbap. Para sa ating keranchim, kimkaro. Tadaan! So yummy. Kimchi. Look. My keranchim. Sesame oil. Put a little bit sesame oil. Sesame seed. Simply breakfast. Very clean.